Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do my rolling project pan update number 2. If you haven't been following me on this project pan or heard of project pans, I will go ahead and link my intro up above in the cards, as well as my first update. But brief overview, I started off with 10 products that I wanted to hit certain goals on, hit pan on, and I have since used up 2 items. Before this update, I used up my Too Faced Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Cloud and a Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner. So I do have some fun updates for you guys for this month. For the products that I'm using, I am rotating out one product, used up another, and bringing in 2 new ones. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with the product that I'm rotating out. So it's the Dermabree Microdermabrasion Scrub. It was a pink jar. Since filming, I don't know what happened to it. I might have decluttered it. I know I tried it 1 or 2 times, but it was definitely one of those products that I was hanging on to, hoping I was gonna use and try and use up more, but I never did. It's been hanging on for a while. Time to get rid of it. I was trying to intentionally work on it for the past 3 months, and that was a fail. So it is time to say goodbye to that product. The next product, though, that I did use up was the Mario Badescu Glycolic Foaming Cleanser. So I fully used this up. This was where I was at the intro, and then the first update, I was right there. So definitely really close to finishing this up. I did really like it. Still prefer my Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. This is really good, very light. If you have very sensitive skin, this is a great cleanser to check out. Was approved by my dermatologist. Didn't irritate my skin or anything like that, and also cleansed my skin pretty well, so I would recommend it. I would use it again, but I don't know if I would go out and purchase it personally for myself. Continuing on to the products that I am still working on, but I have some good progress. My Charlotte Tilbury, this is the Pillow Talk Luxury Quad, and I hit pan on a new eyeshadow. I have definitely expanded this pan. This pan was already like that, well, already showing for the last updates, but I don't know if you can see that baby pan right there, but I have hit pan on that shimmery eyeshadow today. On my eyes, I have another product, the Caviar Stick, all over. I put this matte peachy shade in the crease, and then that like a golden shade on the outer corner. And that is the look that I have on my eyes today. So I'm really happy to have hit pan in that. My goal, I think, when starting this for the project was to hit pan on one of these 2 shades and try and use up the like peachy shade. I have done my goal of hitting pan on a new eyeshadow and expanding it, but I'm gonna keep working on this palette for this project pan. Another eyeshadow is my Stila. This is the Kitten Single Eyeshadow. Still working on it. So that is how much eyeshadow is left. Just this little crevice right there. Hopefully I can finish this up by next update. I do have this on the inner part of my eyes as well, so still working on that. And then the other eyeshadow that I use is this Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick, and I use this as a base for my eyeshadows to stick. And this is how much I have of that eyeshadow. And I didn't ever really draw on the cap where I was, so I can, ooh, did I just break it off? We're not gonna do that because I don't wanna break it, but that is how much progress I have. Still a lot to go. Really like the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick. Would totally repurchase. I've already used up one of these in the past in project pan. The next product for this project pan is my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Beautifying Face Palette. I wanted to hit pan in one of these blushes or highlights and just use a little bit more out of it. Really been focusing here on this, what is this one called? Soft blush right here. So I've been working on this. You can see some good dents going on in there, and I've been using the highlights a little bit more as well. So definitely have like used where you can't see the Charlotte Tilbury emblem of that. Still working on it. Do have it on as my blush today. Highlight I have been using, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. have a couple different shades of this. I have the Pillow Talk shade, and intro, I was right here. I don't think I drew a line for my first update, so I am about there now for this update. So definitely used quite a bit of product up. Do I think I'm gonna finish it by next update? Probably not, but we'll see if I continue to use it. I like to put it right here on the cheekbones, a little bit underneath my nose, right here at the tip of the nose, draw it up a little bit, and then I do a small V right here. That's kind of how I apply this product. So I'm going to keep using this, and I'll update you on the highlighter next month. My lipstick, I use this every morning and when I'm about to go places. I have used quite a bit of this product up. That is all I have left of this lipstick. This is the Milani Secret lipstick. Don't know like what type of lipstick. I'll leave it down below. I am currently right there at this bottom pink line and started up here. Definitely a lot of progress, starting to kind of taper out and be less pointy as well. These lipsticks though are amazing, super soft and creamy. Really love them. Next product that I'm still working on is my Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Now I will say it is starting to dry out. This will probably be the last month that I am going to be working on it. I did purchase a couple of other products and waterproof mascaras from Target, so look forward for that video. I will post that very soon, but we'll continue to use this for this month until it's completely dried out. Another product that I just put in the last time was the Image Vital C Hydrating Eye Recovery Gel. And I really love this lightweight vitamin C eye cream for my face. I use it morning or night. The majority of the time I am just using it in the morning. I still have some product in here. It's one of those air pumps, so I don't know exactly how much I have left. I just know it is getting pretty light for the weight. Now, to keep rolling in new products until I reach the Project 10 pan, I've added 2 new products to this project pan. The first thing is another skincare item. This is the Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil. This is the Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. So this has a like orange creamsicle kind of scent. Perfect for the spring, summertime. I have quite a bit in here, so still working on this. I have probably 75% of this to go. I definitely need to be a little bit more moisturized, showing off on your legs and your feet and stuff in the spring, summertime. So have that to start incorporating a little bit more in my daily routine. And then my liquid eyeliner I am working on is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is in black and it is waterproof. So this is what is on my eyes for my eyeliner today. And I can't kind of show you how much is left because it's a liquid eyeliner. But those are all the products that I am still working on, used up, and am decluttering from my collection for this project pan. If you're doing this project pan with me, let me know your progress down below in the comments and what product you think I will finish next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.